Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this dog bone leash sign. Not only is it a really simple and great project, but it's a really fun way to display and organize your dog's leashes. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this project. To begin, you will take your white paint and you will completely cover the front and the sides of the dog bone. Let it dry completely and then add a second coat. Grab your vinyl and cut out each individual line. Lay out the vinyl in one horizontal line going across the bone. You can also lay out the 3 hooks onto the bone. They will go below the vinyl, and do your best to try to evenly space them out. This is just to give you an idea of how your sign will look. Grab a tape measure or a ruler to help you make sure that you are evenly spacing out your vinyl. You want each end of the vinyl to be about 1 inch from the edge of the wood. Take your scraper and scrape the vinyl so that it sticks to the paper once you peel it up. Use your tape measure or ruler as a guide to make sure that all of your words are straight. Peel off the back of the vinyl and then gently put the vinyl onto the dog bone. Make sure you don't press down too hard because you may have to move it around to straighten it all out. Repeat the same steps for the other pieces of vinyl. And remember not to press down too much when you put the vinyl onto the wood bone because you may want to move or adjust the vinyl before you are happy with where everything is placed. Make any adjustments you may need to the vinyl before you firmly press it down. Grab your craft scraper again and use it to help you apply the vinyl to the wood bone, and then begin to slowly peel up the paper on top of the vinyl. Place your hooks back onto the wooden bone. Take your tape measure and lay it across the wooden bone. You want your middle hook to be at 9 inches because the whole bone itself is about 18 inches long. You will then use that middle hook as your guide, and you will take a pencil and mark where the screws should be going in that middle hook. The hooks on the left and on the right should be about 6.5 inches from the middle hook. Use a tape measure to make sure that all the hooks are straight across from one another, and then use a pencil to mark on the side hooks where the screws should be going in. Take a screwdriver or drill and put the screws into the hooks and make sure that the hooks are lined up with the pencil markings. Flip the sign over and move it to the edge of the table so that the sign can lay flat. And then take a hanger and a hammer and you will attach the hanger to the back of the sign. Now your sign is ready to be displayed, and you can hang up your leashes for your sweet pup. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.